Okay, so I have the Samsung Galaxy Book Ion, the 15.6 version, and I'm going to show you that we currently have 8 gigs of memory that came installed on the device. So I'm going to the Task Manager, Performance, and if you can see here, I'm using 4.9 of 7.8 gigs. I'm using 63%. And I've got Chrome open at the moment, which Chrome is using a crazy amount of memory, and that's really pretty much it. That's really about the only things that I have running at the moment. And so when we come here and we look, we can see that we're using one of 2 slots. So the one of 2, the 8 gigs is actually onboard memory, and then there's an additional slot that's available. There was another guy that posted a video on how to upgrade the RAM, and he added another 8 gig stick to make it 16. But what I'm going to find out is, can you use a 32 gig stick? This is DDR4, 32 gig, and we're going to try to install this and see if it works. All right, so let's move the tabs first, the feet, and these are just pressed in, as you can see. So you just use some kind of a plastic tool because you don't want to scratch this. And they just press fit in there. Okay. This is a great screwdriver kit. I did a video on it if anyone wants to go and take a look at it. So we're going to see if we can pop this back cover off without damaging it. Let's just begin. See if I can do this without messing it up. Okay. Since the other guy bent his in the back, I thought I would start there. I think that's where that little area was. Okay. Well, so it's not difficult to open, but I just don't want to bend mine, and then it'd be a problem. Sorry, I keep bumping the camera. Trying not to be too aggressive with it. Okay. Go to this side. Okay, we're almost there, guys. wonder if people's more interested in me being able to open this without damaging it rather than the 3 gigs of memory, or the 32 gigs of memory I'm putting in. Okay. Yeah, they were kind of right. It's made out of magnesium, but it feels a lot like plastic. So this says, this one has a sticker, and it says, caution, before you replace or install any memory, please disconnect the main power plug and remove the battery. So I know from other videos that the available DIMM for the RAM is right here, and here's the second Nvme slot. It's just amazing how small these things are. So I've ordered a 1 terabyte Samsung Nvme drive, and I think I'm going to actually replace this one with the new one, and then I'm going to use this one in like a external portable drive. So this is recommending that I should disconnect the battery. What do you guys think? You guys think I should disconnect that, the power? I wonder if I can do that without. I think that's just like extra precaution. I don't think it matters. Yeah, I'm not going to tear all that out. Let's just do it. I mean, how many times have we replaced or installed RAM in computers and never went to this extent? So I think it'll be fine. If it's not, you guys will let me know when you see the it fry something. So yeah, so you just remove this cover, right, which is here, and then here's our slot. So now we're going to open up the 32 gigs of memory, if I can do this without hurting myself. Okay, so yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, Samsung, and there's 32 gigabytes, and this is a 2666 memory. So I don't know which way this goes. I think it goes face down. Okay, it does. Memory installs the same as it always has. Now, before I put all of this back together, I'm going to go ahead and start this up because I don't want to keep taking this back on and off. So I'm going to go ahead and start it up. So let's take a look, see what we got. Okay. Now my blue light over here is blinking, so this may not work. Okay. So as of right now, I'm just getting a blinking blue light. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys on hold just a minute. Okay, so I just no sooner paused the video and it's booting up. So let's go ahead and get into this. So I'm now currently, I have the 32 gigs installed. I've booted up. Let's see if the computer recognizes it. So let's go to task, and hopefully I have 40 gigs of memory. So as right now I'm showing I'm only using 13%, so it's definitely recognizing some of it. And there you have it. I have 40 gigs of memory. So you can install a 32 gig of RAM in there, as well as it will work in addition to the 8 gig that's already in there, for a total of 40 gigs. So hope that answers the question. Now the only thing left for me to do is to get my 1 terabyte Samsung drive installed in here. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. All right, bye.